During Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's June 2023 visit to the United States, he presented US President Joe Biden and First Lady Jill Biden with an array of gifts, but it was a 7.5 carat synthetic diamond that captured the most attention. This lab-grown diamond, valued at 20,000 US dollars, stands as the most expensive gift received by the first family in 2023, according to a report released by the US State Department. The gift is part of the tens of thousands of dollars worth of presents that President Biden and the First Lady received throughout the year from foreign leaders, as detailed in the State Department's annual accounting of gifts. The diamond, produced and polished in Surat of India, has been retained for official use at the White House East Wing, ensuring that Jill Biden will not be able to use it personally. A spokesperson for the First Lady confirmed to the Associated Press that the diamonds will be transferred to the National Archives once President Biden leaves office ahead of the inauguration of his successor. However, under federal law, Jill Biden has the option to purchase the gift from the US government at its market value when they depart the White House, though such a situation is rare, particularly with high-value items like this one. Under the US law, all gifts received by the first family from foreign officials with a value exceeding 480 US dollars must be declared. The guidelines stipulate that while most gifts can be kept for personal use, expensive ones typically are either transferred to the National Archives or displayed officially within the White House or other government buildings. In the case of the 20,000 US dollar diamond, it will be retained for official purposes until it is ultimately returned over to the archives. Jill Biden's synthetic diamond is a standout amongst the numerous luxurious gifts received by the first family in 2023. While her gift was by far the most expensive, it was not the only notable present she received. The First Lady also received a 14,063 US dollars a brooch from Ukraine's ambassador to the US and 4,510 US dollar bracelet, brooch and photograph album from Egypt's president and First Lady. President Joe Biden himself also received numerous expensive gifts, including a commemorative photo album valued at 7,100 US dollars from South Korea's President Yoon Suk Yeol, a 3,495 US dollars statue of Mongolian warriors from Mongolia's Prime Minister, and a 3,300 silver bowl from the Sultan of Brunei. Other gifts to the president included a $3,160 sterling silver tray from Israel's president and a 2,400 US dollars collage from Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky. These gifts are all part of the annual documentation of foreign gifts received by the members of the US executive branch, a practice that ensures transparency and adherence to ethical guidelines. Gifts above the $480 threshold are declared publicly, and those of significant value are typically handed over to the National Archives, where they are preserved for historical purposes. As is customary with high-value gifts, the US State Department report also noted that recipients such as the Bidens can choose to purchase these gifts from the government at the market value once they leave office. However, this practice is rare, especially for gifts that are worth tens of thousands of dollars. Such options are more commonly exercised with smaller or less valuable items. While Jill Biden's diamond is currently being retained for official use, it is likely to become the part of historical records once the Bidens leave office. The diamond's journey reflects the complexities of handling foreign gifts in accordance with US regulations, which aim to ensure ethical standards while allowing diplomatic exchanges to continue unhindered. In addition to the presidential gifts, the State Department report also highlighted several instances involving employees of the Central Intelligence Agency, that's the CIA. Several CIA officers are reported receiving lavish gifts such as luxury watches, jewelry, perfume, and nearly all of these items, totaling more than $132,000, were destroyed in compliance with the US law. CIA Director William Burns, for example, received an $18,000 astrograph, which is a type of telescope and astrological camera from an undisclosed foreign source. This item is being transferred to the General Services Administration for safekeeping. However, Burns also reported the destruction of an $11,000 Omega watch, and other CIA employees similarly destroyed luxury timepieces. In total, the report revealed that a number of other high-end items, including Rolex watches, a diamond necklace, and a $30,000 jewelry set from a Libyan jeweler, were destroyed. Watches such as $18,700 Yachtmaster 2 Rolex and a $12,500 Rolex Oyster Datejust were among the high-value items that were discarded, as were luxury perfume collections worth more than $10,000. These reports underscore the strict guidelines followed by US government officials, which ensure that lavish gift items, even when they are offered by foreign dignitaries, do not pose a conflict of interest or violate the ethical norms. While luxury gifts stolen hold diplomatic significance, their disposal in accordance with regulations ensures transparency and integrity within US institutions. As the United States prepares for a new leadership in 2025, the handling of foreign gifts, including the highly valuable synthetic diamond item from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, remains an important aspect of maintaining diplomatic integrity and adhering to the country's ethical standards. The diamond, which now sits among the most expensive gifts ever presented to a US first family, will eventually make its way to the National Archives as part of the rich history of diplomatic exchanges between the United States and other nations.